My name is Palak Rathi, and right now I'm a housewife and I've pursued my career in MBA marketing. I was working in a sales profile after that, but because of some personal reasons, I had to take a break from my career. And coming to the market thing, I've realized that digital marketing is something which is, I felt like switching my career to digital marketing, as marketing is my professional also. So from sales to digital marketing, I took a switch and I have pursued my course from Digital Vidya with that. So recent in during COVID times, one of my friend was doing a digital marketing course from Digital Vidya only. So I was knowing a little about the Digital Vidya, and I asked her, contacted her, like how did you switch your career from sales to digital marketing, and how it helped you to make a better career in the market. So through that, I came to know about Digital Vidya, and she was the one who motivated me to switch also, and she helped me a lot in this journey. My journey was good. The mentors were also very supporting and very understanding. They solved my queries every time I've asked them. So I understand those things which they have mentioned, and what are the weak points and what are the pain points, main points to be keep in mind while going and understanding and studying things. So they helped me a lot, and my journey was very nice, and my coordinator was also very good to me. He also helped me in all the process things, and that's how I've finally passed my exam also with good marks.